First, you need to decide where to put the smoke detector. It is important to know that enough smoke has to enter the smoke detector for it to alert you of a fire. The best place for your smoke detector is between the lounge room or kitchen and the bedroom. Your smoke detector works best when it is no further than 7.5 metres from these areas and where air circulates well, away from corners and recesses. This is because you cannot smell smoke from a fire when you are sleeping. The smoke alarm has a base plate. Remove it from the smoke detector by twisting it in an anti-clockwise direction. Hold the base plate against the ceiling and mark where you need to drill the holes. Drill the 2 holes, then use the 2 screws included to attach the base plate to your ceiling. Once everything is connected, press the test button on your smoke detector. The strobe should flash and the vibrating pad should vibrate. If this doesn't happen, check your wireless connection again. You can put the smoke detector in the base plate, then twist it in a clockwise direction. To make sure the alarm is working properly, you should do 2 things every month. Dust the detector on your ceiling and press the test button on the strobe.